Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's been a little while, isn't it? No, no, take that back. This is the most consistent I've been in a little while. Twice in a week, isn't it? Maybe a little bit longer than that, but depending on the time that we get it out. Anyway, never mind that. Look, this is a TikTok Shop special. I want to lay it out exactly what TikTok Shop is, how you can make money from it, how what Luke and I offer you is different to the other programs out there, and the opportunities that are coming down the track. Let's get into this. If you like this channel, please do the usuals for me. Give me a like. Anything to say, give me a comment. If you want to subscribe to my channel and hear more ramblings from this geezer in the grey hoodie, look, I even got given a special Funko toy. Look what he's wearing. He's wearing a grey hoodie. And hit the notification button. Let's get into the episode, shall we? Roll them. Right, this is a TikTok Shop special. A lot of you would have seen me banging on about TikTok Shop for a little while now, and a lot of you would have seen me offering up some sort of community. Well, here we are. I want to lay out exactly what it is that we're doing, what the model is, and how people are making money off the back of it, shall we? Number one, what is TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop is no different to Amazon. It's no different to Temu, AliExpress. It's an online platform where you can buy things. Listen, this is a quite important thing because a lot of people seem to get hung up and they get quite territorial when it comes to Amazon. Amazon is just a platform. It's just a high street. It's just the internet version of a high street where you want to sell your stuff. I talk about diversifying all of the time. Why should Amazon get all of your attention? It's not right. In America, Walmart is growing. And you would have seen AliExpress just sponsored the recent European Championships in 2024. Other online platforms are becoming more and more prominent. Amazon is still the biggest fish in the pond. Of course it is. And it deserves its place there. But TikTok Shop is catching up big time. Because what TikTok Shop have done is that they've targeted a different kind of marketing experience. Amazon, let's say, for example, let's go into Funko Pop again. You want to buy a Funko Pop, you go to Amazon, tap, 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 Funko Pop. You know what you're buying on Amazon before you go to it, 99% of the time, right? TikTok Shop is different. TikTok Shop is the end of the aisle. It's that little kiosk next to the till. It's that bit where you're just checking out, oh, do you want a can of Coke? It's the impulse. And there is a massive opportunity because impulse is the number one driver behind people's decisions to buy things. That's why those offers are there. The impulse draws you in and then you buy other stuff. What TikTok has done is that it's utilized its platform as the fastest growing social media platform in the world. They've turned it into a QVC. If you're of my generation, you know exactly what QVC is. It's the shopping channel. So what TikTok have done is gone, right, let's turn our social media platform into a shopping channel. So you can scroll and you see handsome mugs like mine talking to you about all sorts of side hustles and secondary businesses and realistic stuff. That's kind of my gambit. But then you see one saying, do you want this wallet because this wallet saved my stuff from getting stolen? And you think, oh, I like that wallet, bosh. And you hit the button. There's a button on TikTok, the yellow basket, that takes you straight from the feed that you're watching into a checkout. That power is growing. It's changing e-commerce. It's creating something called social commerce. Because what you see on these aren't ads in the traditional sense. They're not Jennifer Lopez selling shampoo. They're people like me or you, that are experiencing real symptoms, like knee joint pain, who are saying, you know what, I take this supplement and it helps with my knee joint pain. People are like, oh, I'll have some of that. Real life people. Social commerce. So when you see people of my generation going through the problems people in our generation do, men or women, harder to wake up in the morning, concentration levels, grouchiness, you might be perimenopausal, the women, all of these things are things that problems can be solved by products. And then you use your social media to advertise these products. And if people hit that link on your page, you get commission. And it's good commission. It's a good 10% as well. Look, let's flip it. Amazon do this as well, don't they? They do Amazon affiliate. You know, you get roughly 1%. 1%. TikTok are offering 10. And that's the base level. Now, that's the opportunity. People are churning out post after post after post of products that they are making good commission on. Now, if I told you that the Americans have been doing this for over a year now and genuinely making thousands and thousands and thousands, well over the fabled £10,000 a month, $10,000 a month even. And then what's happened in America is that the big brands, the traditional brands, the brands that have been using Jennifer Lopez to advertise their shampoo, they're realizing the power in social media. Because not only is it much, much cheaper for them to advertise in this way, it's the way that future generations are going to consume content. People don't watch adverts on TV anymore. You can fast forward them, for God's sake. People don't do it. They do watch adverts on social media, though, especially if they're embedded in their TikTok feed. You see what I'm saying? So that's how that's gone. And people are making so much money in America. UK is lagging behind it, but it's catching up. In the last year, I have seen a good half a dozen people, just in my little circle, start making thousands and thousands a week in commission. Mostly selling things like supplements. You would have seen Nutrition Geeks. They sell thousands a month. And for those thousands, every single one of those sales, somebody is earning a commission off every unit. It's insane the money that's coming back off this. So what we decided to do, Luke and I, we decided to partner up with Tick Marketing, who are genuinely, it's not a slogan, they're the fastest growing agency on the platform TikTok. They are. The stats back this up. They're something like number 2 in the charts at the moment, and number 1's a Chinese firm. We spoke to them. We reached out to them because we know who they are. And we said, right, let's have an opportunity. Let's have a chat about what we can all do working together. And then we realised that we could build a community backed off of Tick Marketing that could genuinely change thousands of people's lives with new products coming down the tracks. Because when you've got a big agency, brands go directly to you. And the agency says to the brands, yes, I've got a bunch of affiliates I can send your way. So the affiliates in our community are targeted because they've got better brands coming to them. Now, if you're a good affiliate, you can drive up your commission rate. You can get recognized by the brand, by the agency, by TikTok itself. So not only do we have a place where we can get you banging products with better commissions, we also have a place that is supported and backed up by TikTok itself. That instantly puts us levels above every other community on the market. We knew how good this was, and we knew what value we could offer. And we knew we wanted to make it reasonable. Genuinely, other people were charging £150 a month. We're charging £40. Because we know that this is a model that the everyday person should be able to get going with, but they need to make it affordable, don't they? That's the whole point. So you can get going on TikTok Shop affiliate in our community for less than £100, and that includes your membership to us. So all you do is you join our group, you buy a product, you then cut your teeth and you get good at content, and we are there 6 times a week to help you get good at your content. We'll review your pages, we'll review your posts, we'll give you mindset modules, we'll be there for Q&As. Most importantly, we'll be there when you say, I've posted 3 times a day and no one's watched it. And we'll give you the support to show you what you can do to improve, and also give you 4 highly experienced TikTok affiliates that have been in your shoes and have felt those lows. This is everything that we've been talking about with TikTok Shop. The community that we've got in place, at the time of recording this, I've got just under 1,000 people in it. Everybody is being given massive opportunities with massively selling products so that they can earn a fortune and hopefully change their life around, but not in a month. This is so key. We've got about 30 people that joined and quit within a month. Absolutely fine if the model's not for you. But if you wanted to give it a go and you're saying, oh, nothing's happening for me because I've been posting for 2 weeks, I'm sorry. What? When we're showing you 4 people that have been going for a year and they didn't really get good for 7-8 months, but now they're in a place where they're making thousands, where one of them's even left their job. The opportunity is insane, and we are just getting started. Luke and I, when have you ever known us to go out there and put our hat on a model and say, yes, I'm staking my reputation on this? That's exactly what we're both doing, because we know this is the real deal. Any questions about this, please, please, please let me know in here, and I can either answer them direct or I can do another video, because I think I've got a lot more that I can talk about with this, but I'm not entirely sure what sort of things you guys would want to know. Let's get into that. In the meantime, give the video a like if you did like it, and subscribe so you can find out more about this sort of stuff. Cheers.